what we got in the building. We got the Apple Watch Series 6. And we got the Nike Sports Loop. I haven't had a sports loop yet. I've had the Nike band and the sports band that comes with the watch, but not the loop. Alright, man. Smells like brand new. Let's get to unboxing this, get some impressions, and then I'll have a review after I use the watch for about a couple of days. So I'm going to be using it intensively with cardio, weightlifting, sleep tracking, hand washing, and other stuff that the watch comes with. Oh, and we're going to check out that new SpO2 sensor to check my blood oxygen levels. Apparently it can check in the background while you're sleeping. Watch out, Fitbit. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, my unboxing videos are never face down because I don't have the equipment for that. I love to do face down camera shots, but it don't work like that. Into meme tech. Not yet. I don't have the tech for that. Very limited, in case you guys didn't know. Alright, so we got the wrap off. Now we're gonna see if I remember how my unboxing experience was from the previous Apple Watches I've owned. Da-da-da. Your usual packaging. So we have the box here. Get into that. It's just like the Apple Watch Series 5, designed by Apple in California. Designed by California Apple. Californian Apple. So we got your charger here, but no charging brick. If you notice the box is different, there's no charging brick in the box. Because Apple's being very eco-friendly. So, let's see here. Is it any different from the Series 5? No, it's not. It's literally the same design plus some new sensors. I think maybe just one new sensor actually. Let's get this watch out of here. Alright, so here's the back. As you can see, the back is different, has a new design on the back. You have your heart rate sensor there, and then you have these 4 circles, which are your infrared circles, and those will be reflecting a red light to check your blood oxygen levels, to see how much of your blood is oxygenated. So this is very handy during these rough times to check your blood oxygen levels, because that's very important these days to make sure you are nice and healthy. So I have the 44mm one. We got it in space gray aluminum case, just like my Apple Watch Series 5. I was gonna go for the Nike one, but they didn't have it, and I thought about getting blue, but I like gray, and I am forever in a gray dark mood. So this was the move. Alright, so let's see what else. We got the band. We got the Nike watch band, but I'm not going to be using this one because, yeah, I've had the sports band before. I'm going to be doing this right here. I'm going to do the Nike Sports Loop band. Alright, so we got the Nike watch band here. We're going to strip this off. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we're gonna open this bad boy up. I've never had this band before. Really, so we actually kind of excited to use it. It shows you your directions and how to use the loop. So we're gonna use this loop. It's one size. Pretty excited to use this. Can't wait to see what it turns out like. Alright, we're gonna put this in the watch to see how it looks. Times I am really stupid with these bands, but I don't know if you guys can take a look. Here we are. We got the loop on here, and turns out I had it on backwards the whole time. So with the sports loop, you just loop it around, and then you got a little Velcro piece. You tighten it up how you want it to be tightened until it's nice and snug. Now it's not going anywhere. So that's that for the sports loop. It's my first time playing the sports loop. It took me a really long time because I am literally slow. But hopefully you guys are a lot smarter than I am. And sports loop goes Velcro on top, and boom. Yeah, Velcro on top, and boom. Simple. Don't do what I did and reverse it and be all confused for 10 minutes. Alright, so let's start up the watch and get it set up. So those of you that are new to this, you go to the watch app and then you go to hit start pairing, and then you'll start pairing with your Apple Watch. Go set up for myself. Then this will pop up and you'll have to take a picture of the little thingy on your Apple Watch. Start pairing, and it's gonna look like this. Then you wanna put your phone over it, and then the watch will be paired. And I had Apple Watch before and I had it backed up, I believe, so I'm gonna restore it from backup. Restore it from my Series 4 case. And continue. And then we wait. And we wait. And we wait. Also is new, we had the blood oxygen check. So it's going to ask you to enable that. And go ahead and hit enable to enable the blood oxygen. You keep your watch up to date. You have Apple Pay set up. Then we're not going to show you that information because that is private. So I'm going to set up my card type information, and if anything else that's new pops up, I'll show you.
1 hour later.
Watch is ready. Just got to hit the digital crown. And it vibrates. And I'm in. And I have my old watch face, just like before. So it essentially, right off the bat, looks just like my Series 5. Literally looks the same. It's as if nothing has changed. It's just like the Series 5. But we should have some new apps in here, such as the SpO2 monitor, which I want to find right now. It's the one I'm curious about.
1 hour later.
What I'm doing, the blood oxygen. To make sure which is not too low on your wrists. Watch band should be snug but comfortable. Keep your watch facing up, try not to move. Resting wrist on the table can help. So somebody else checked their blood oxygen 21 minutes ago, or it did it in the background for me a while ago. So we have this cool animation. We're gonna hit start. Hold nice and still for 15 seconds. %. Not bad. I mean, I think that's the usual for me. It should be in the hundreds, but whatever. It works, so that's pretty cool. Take that, Samsung. I mean, Samsung's, I heard, is kind of inaccurate, but it works too, so I don't know. No competition, right? I hope the Fitbit Sense can do this too, so this one I'm comparing these two when the Fitbit Sense comes out. I do hope the Fitbit Sense can give you blood oxygen on command instead of just doing your variations in your sleep. So that's the new blood SpO2 sensor. Alright, so SpO2 works fine. I just played with it a little bit. It got like 97%. I just showed you a clip actually. I just recorded on my phone. Forgot I didn't use this camera for that clip. But yeah, the blood oxygen measured just fine. It was cool. Other than that, man, besides the elevation detection that I can't really test out right now because I'm not like hiking right now or anything like that, it's pretty much essentially the Series 5 with the blood oxygen sensor and some new ways to detect things that I believe can just be done through software. So, is the Series 6 an incremental, a huge upgrade from Series 5? No, God no. You just get a new processor that's faster, more battery efficient. Your always on display is brighter, 2.5 times brighter outside. And you get blood oxygen. That's it. Everything else is software. So, if you have the Series 5, should you upgrade to the Series 6? How bad do you care about your blood oxygen levels and seeing that on your watch? How bad do you need a new processor for a little bit better battery life? Because it's still advertised at 18 hours, so is it worth the upgrade? How bad do you want the blue color or red color? It's up to you, man. Because you can get those new loops for your old watches just fine, because the bands haven't changed. So the bands from my Series 5 and Series 4, they'll still work on the Series 6. And if you want the Apple Watch SE, that's essentially Apple Watch Series 4 minus ECG. So I mean, man, It depends what you want, man. If you want to save some money, get the Apple Watch SE or Apple Watch Series 3. If you don't care about the ECG app, you just want heart rate monitoring and workouts and have a smartwatch, get the Series 3, get the SE. If you want ECG and all the sensors, get the Series 6. It's pretty simple, man. Simple buyer's guide. So if you want to be balling out, Series 6. I'm not going to repeat myself. So that's my impressions of the Apple Watch Series 6. I do like the new sports loop. It's not new, I think it's been around for a while, but I do like it. It's nice and snug. And hopefully my wrist doesn't have too bad of a reaction to it. I think I have it on a bit too snug right now, so I'm going to adjust that. But I like it. I'll get used to it. Alright, that's it for Tanium Tech and the Apple Watch Series 6 impressions. Stay tuned for my full review after a couple of days. Thanks for watching.